G'day everyone, welcome to Dimario ARTA, which is my dad's village, about 25 kilometres east of the town of Arta. Now I'm taking this video with my iPhone 8 Plus because anything I take with a GoPro or the Canon M50 I need to upload to obviously to YouTube. And I've got no internet access with my PC, so I can't do it. So I thought I'll do a quick video of where I am here on the phone. As you can see, there's a big tractor there. There's a big mountain range around the back there. It's all clouds are hiding everything. There's a big mountain at the top there. You can't see it. Then there's a mountain range on that side. So there's not much here, as you can see. That's like my dad's house there, by the way. Dad's house is probably another 30-40 metres down that way, but yeah, everything's good here. Hopefully if the internet comes back online I can start posting a few videos, and I plan to go into the town of Arta, which is, like I said, 25 kilometres from here, and take if not drone footage, but at least take a decent video of it and post it on YouTube. But it all depends if I've got internet and Wi-Fi, because on the phone at the moment I tend to get 3G, 4G, but the phone will say I've got 3G or 4G and it will just drop out. So it's not very stable. Works when it can work, but I can't rely on it to actually upload things. But yeah, so there you go. So just a quick view of where I am, out in the middle of nowhere. Middle of the sticks. Just forests everywhere, so I'm just walking down this pathway here. Just got to watch where I'm walking because there's rocks and boulders and everything everywhere. There you go. I think there's a guy with a you might be able to hear him. Every couple of days we have guys with vans that deliver bread or fish. There you go. I think he's selling chickens, this guy, so there you go, he's actually doing a turn up the top there. Don't know if you can see him. Yep. He's selling chickens, quails and ducks, I think. But yeah, no, there was a guy here earlier this morning. He was delivering bread. So basically you just come out of your house, all the let's watch where I'm walking. All the people come out of their house and they buy bread if they need bread. There's another guy that sells groceries, another guy that sells fish. Obviously that guy there, he sells, I think, chickens and all that, so people buy them and slaughter them. And now, I don't know if they're live or they have been slaughtered, I really don't know, but I would imagine they probably already been slaughtered and ready to be cooked up, I guess. But anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry I can't post anything more interesting, but like I said, I'm stuck in the middle of nowhere and I've got no internet. I'm only using the phone's Wi-Fi. Now when I send this through to YouTube, I'm hoping that, you know, I can actually send it through pretty quickly. Hopefully I'll try, but I'm still here anyway. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll hopefully when I get to the islands in a few weeks I'll take some decent videos. Have a good one. Take care. Bye bye.